Is your home roller shade facing these issues? Jamming when lifting, lowering, annoying noise, even worried it might fall off over time? Today, we bring the solution. The Keda 3806 Square End Cap Upgraded Edition is now officially launched. We don't just match the standard, we surpass it entirely. Its confidence comes from 6 major upgrades. Heavy-duty load, 6 kilograms strong carrying capacity, telescopic tolerance, 1 centimeter adjustable end cap, fearless of installation error, planetary quietness, 1:1.7 gear ratio加8 gears, smooth and silent operation, precision aesthetics, minimal gaps, premium finish, metal core, built-in reinforced core, eliminates slipping, durable and anti-aging, nylon fiber material stands the test of time. A complete package of strength, looks, and durability featured from launch. Keda 3806, not just keeping up, but leaping ahead. This time, choosing Keda 3806 means choosing peace of mind, quietness, and long-lasting reliability. New product launch experience the all-round upgrade now.